Without self-confidence, life is like a boat drifting endlessly in the river, no direction, no purpose. You may be intelligent, hardworking, even kind. But if fear controls you, you'll never reach your true potential. Many people stay silent all their lives, afraid to speak up, afraid to fail, afraid to be seen. But today's story will show you that even the weakest voice can rise and shine, if it dares to believe in itself. Stay with me till the end, because this story might be the turning point you've been waiting for. Once upon a time in a busy city there lived a humble businessman. He earned a living by selling salt and worked hard to support his wife and 2 sons. His younger son was confident, cheerful, and outgoing. But his elder son was shy, reserved, and fearful. He struggled to speak, avoided eye contact, and often stayed in the background. People laughed at him. Some even took advantage of his silence. His father grew frustrated and scolded him often, calling him useless. Each harsh word broke his confidence even more. At school, fear followed him. Even when he knew the answers, he couldn't write them properly in exams. Slowly, he began to fall behind. When he grew older, his father asked him to help at the shop. Out of fear, he agreed. But his nervousness caused mistakes, especially when talking to customers. One day, a few cunning men came and tricked him into giving away all the salt sacks, claiming his father had sent them. When his father returned and saw the shop empty, his anger exploded.
You worthless boy, you've destroyed everything I built! Get out of my sight!
Broken and humiliated, the young man walked away with tears in his eyes. That night, he went to the riverbank. I'm a failure, he thought. My father hates me. Everyone mocks me. There's no reason to live. Just as he prepared to jump, an old man appeared, grabbed his hand, and pulled him back.
Why did you save me? My life is meaningless.
Life is God's greatest gift. Failures don't define you. Giving up does. If you live, you can rise again, but if you end it, you'll never know your true strength.
Seeing a little spark of hope, the young man followed him. At the old man's house, he was given a challenge.
For 3 days, you will follow my instructions. If you succeed, your life will change forever. 3 life lessons. Day 1. Talk to 10 strangers. Ask about their lives and write down their answers.
Narrator VO. At first his voice shook. Some ignored him, some laughed. Narrator VO, but he kept trying. Narrator VO. By the evening he had spoken to 10 people and even made 2 friends.
Narrator VO. Day 2. Teach 10 children why water is important. The young man hesitated. But I'm not educated enough. Old man. Children don't know that. Just share what you do know.
With shaking hands he spoke.
Water keeps us alive. It gives us energy. It makes us healthy.
The children clapped, and for the first time he felt courage rising inside.
Day 3. Go back to your father. Apologize. Face him.
Terrified, he returned home.
Father, forgive me. I promise I'll change.
To his surprise, his father's anger melted. Seeing his son's courage, he gave him another chance.
Now please tell me, what is the secret to confidence?
The wise man smiled.
You already discovered it. Your enemy was not shyness, it was fear. Confidence grows every time you face fear and act anyway. People see you the way you present yourself. Show courage, and the world will respect you.
The young man bowed with gratitude.
I understand now. I will never let fear control me again.
Years later, the once shy boy became a respected businessman. People admired his intelligence, honesty, and above all, his confidence. Remember this, confidence is not something we're born with. It's something we build step by step. Each time you face your fear, you grow stronger. The world sees you the way you choose to present yourself, so believe in yourself. Take small steps, speak even when your voice shakes, and you'll discover a power within you that you never knew existed. If this story touched your heart, give it a like, share it with someone who needs courage today, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories. Until next time, stay strong, stay confident, and never let fear decide your future.